Hello, everyone. Happy Monday morning. We have 2 more weeks before school starts, so making breakfast today a little later, trying to get the kids back on a slowly schedule to get up at 7. We're working on it, but come with me as I make waffles a little different today. It's really very basic. It's nothing fancy here, okay? But just a fun little twist on waffles when you don't feel like heating up your oven for cinnamon rolls, okay? So my other choice typically for cinnamon rolls is the air fryer, so I don't have to heat up the oven. Like, I really despise using an oven unless I have to, because it takes time to heat up. It heats up my house. If I can put it in the air fryer, if I can cook it a different way, I do it. So today we're gonna make some cinnamon roll waffles. All right, so let me know how your Monday is going so far. I hope you're kicking butt in your week and you are ready to have a great fabulous day. All right, so already turned on our deluxe grill and griddle, but we are going to use our waffle plates today. So we're going to get rid of these grill plates and put in our waffle plates. All right, they come as a set, or you can purchase them separately with your deluxe grill and griddle. So we're gonna do that and put those in, and then these are in, ready to go, okay? And now we're just going to do like custom 5 minutes or so. Actually, that might be too high. So let's do custom 5 minutes for like 380-ish is what I find is always good for waffles. 380 degrees, or you could just hit griddle or something like that. Doesn't really matter, just heat it up, okay? And then you can check it. So if you're new here and you still missed it, I think it's okay, what day is today? I really don't. Is it the 20th? I thought yesterday was the 20th. Maybe it's the 21st. You have until the end of the month. I think 10 days left to get the deluxe grill and griddle for $100 off. It ships for free and you get a free gift. All right, so let's open this can here. Good morning, hello, Germany's in the house. And make sure you guys comment and let me know where you're tuning in from. All right, we gotta smack it, right? You guys all do that? Smack it until it pops open and get these ready to go. Let me get a little cutting board here. 1 second. Got a little baby cutting board. These are great. They're little snack size cutting boards for little things like this. I saw this TikTok or something is going around where you bake cinnamon rolls with like whipped cream, heavy whipping cream. Anybody have done that? What's the name of the machine? Yeah, so you can, anything I show you is always in my link tree. This is called the Deluxe Grill and Griddle, okay? So I just added the waffle plate, but it comes with the grill and then also griddle plates. It also lays completely flat, so you can make like breakfast in it, and it's $100 off in the link tree in my bio. For the rest of the month, including all of our appliances, are $100 off. And they ship for free. You get a free gift. It's a great thing. All right, our multi-cooker, our air fryer, our cooking blender, all those things, right? All right, Vic, I hope that helped answer that question. Let's see. Good morning. Hello, everyone. All right, so we're waiting for this to just kind of heat up. And a fun fact is I've never made homemade cinnamon rolls. Never made homemade cinnamon rolls. Maybe I should start. Somebody send me a recipe. Something easy though, okay? Maybe somebody has a good homemade cinnamon. I don't mind doing homemade things. I've never done it. I don't know why. I've just never done it. So, all right, let's see here if this is warming up. Okay, it's getting nice and warm. And what I love about this is it cooks it really fast, and I actually love the kind of crunch on the outside of these cinnamon waffles, and then the inside is kind of ooey gooey, juicy, you know, like deliciousness. All right, so I'm gonna heat this up, and then once it comes out, you can just put some frosting on here. Anybody gonna send me a homemade cinnamon roll recipe? Yes, Vic? Okay, that helped. Awesome. Let me know. And if you guys ever have any questions, you can just send me a message, or you can go to Linktree and you can message me anywhere. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, wherever you want, you can message me. All right, let's see. I might just go ahead and get started. So then all you do, I mean, this is pretty, it's very hard. Such a hard thing to do, right? you could, you know, anything with this. I mean, obviously you can make your waffles with it. You can make little grilled cheeses with it and have a fun pattern. Little pizza waffles. You can just have some fun with it. But that way you can get rid of your griddle, and your waffle iron because it's all in one. Okay, so we're gonna let this do its thing. Let me get a little towel here to wipe my hands and wait for this to cook. All right, good morning, Lillian. Hello, hello. I want to see how these waffles come out and feed my kids. So when do your kids go back to school? Did they already go back to school? We have 2 more weeks, 14 days left in New York for kids to go back to school. I think this week we're getting teacher assignments, all those fun things are happening here. You know what else I'll show you that maybe helps some of you guys? Anybody a busy mom up there, but you kind of want your kids to eat healthy, but sometimes we skip the prepping, and you know what I mean. So I'm all about balance. I know this is like sugar and bad. I got it, okay. But wait, look what they're gonna have with it, okay? They're not just gonna eat cinnamon rolls. So I have this tray always ready to go in my fridge, okay? So when I go grocery shopping, here's a little tip. When you go grocery shopping and you come home, clean your fruit and your veggies, cut them, prep them, do all the things, because otherwise, where do they go? They go in your fridge on the bottom drawer where your vegetables go to die, okay? You guys know exactly what I'm talking about. So cut your veggies, prep them, do all the things right when you're done grocery shopping, because otherwise you're literally, I mean, at least me, I don't know, maybe by myself, I will lose all my veggies. So this is, I went grocery shopping yesterday, so this was prepped yesterday. So now they're gonna have some cinnamon rolls, and I can put this on the table. I have this like Lazy Susan thing on the table, and they can easily grab some healthy fruit with their cinnamon rolls as well. So for those of you guys that haven't seen this yet, I feel like I've talked about this all summer, but this is the large cool and serve tray. It has a freezer tray you can put on the bottom. If I'm just pulling it from the fridge to the table for like 30 minutes, I don't even bother putting the freezer plates in it. But if I'm leaving it out in the afternoon for snack time, then I will put the freezer plates in it to keep everything nice and cold. Or on Thursday when we go to the beach, definitely putting in the freezer plates, right? But that way, this is a great, easy tip to make sure you're using all your veggies and fruits that you're buying, but also that, you know, if anybody's on a health journey or trying to eat healthier, you could do this with salad, and you can have like chicken and hard-boiled eggs and all that in here. So you could use it as an organizer as well for your fridge, but it serves multiple purposes, right? Does anybody do that? Anybody wash their fruits and veggies when you get home from the store and get them all prepped? Or anybody kind of go dig through the drawer at the end of the week and be like, oh yeah, I was gonna eat that salad and now it's not good anymore, right? Good morning, Deneen. Hi, Holly. Thanks for popping in, guys. Chatty Kathy, I love that name. That's funny. All right, let's see how our cinnamon rolls, look at that. So they're still a little ooey, right? So you could, depending on how gooey you want them, take them out or give them another minute. But this is so easy because they cook in like 5 minutes and not like 15 like in the oven, okay? And you didn't heat up your oven. Super easy to clean. All these plates, all these grill plates and griddle plates, they all go in your dishwasher. Or sometimes if I'm just making a quick grilled cheese and I didn't really like dirty too much, I just like wipe it down with like a paper towel, a little bit of soap as well. But these again are the grill plates that come in it. They snap on. They snap on right here, or griddle plates, and then the waffle plates can either be purchased as a set, or you could always get those on another day, okay? But yes, this is the Deluxe Grill and Griddle, $100 off. So let me know if you guys are catching this live. All of you guys watching live, comment live so I can say hey. And let's go get a plate and plate these. So hard. I worked so hard on this breakfast. Hashtag mom win. All right. Let me go get our plates here and get those plated. And we are good to go. And breakfast doesn't have to be complicated. Dinner doesn't have to be complicated. Things can be cheap, right? Hi, Kathy. Thanks for popping in and joining us. So, yeah, I always kind of like touch them, see like how much longer they need, maybe another minute, and you can feed your kids. All right. So these are some of my favorite little tongs. They're really great for bacon because they're like little chopsticks. They're really fine. So it helps grab things, and they store flat in your cupboard as well. All right. Did you guys tell me when you're going back to school yet? Nobody wants to tell me? New York here, 2 weeks. Which state are you from? When do your kids go back to school? If you have kids. If not, that's cool too. Or maybe some of your kids are out of the house already too, right? So yay. Hello, Pamela. Thanks for popping in. All right. I think we are done here. Yep. So now they're kind of harder on the outside, but still ooey gooey on the inside as well. So you can give them 4, or you can totally split these, right? Check these out. Aren't these fun looking? Yay! They're so cute. They look fun. They look like these Disney waffles, right? Or they kind of look like Belgian waffles, right? You put your frosting on, hit cancel, so this doesn't continue to cook. Check it out. Pretty cool. Cinnamon waffles. Hashtag little mom win. Yay, North Carolina's here. They go back next week. Okay, cool. Thanks, Debbie, for sharing. Or Denise, sorry. Thanks, Denise. How much are these tongs? I don't know. So if you go to the link tree in my bio and type in tongs, these are saute tongs. You'll see how much they are. I don't know, 20 bucks or something like that. I don't know. I don't know every price in the catalog, but always check the link tree in my bio. Just search tongs, or just send me a message directly. But look how cool these are, right? So cute. All right, I'm gonna go feed my kids. They got some cinnamon rolls. They got some fruits, orange juice. These would be cute for like a brunch, breakfast with the girls, right? Or the mom club. So anyways, thanks for popping in today. If you have any questions, comment below. And I hope you guys have a fabulous week, all right? Make it a great week. And if you're dreading Monday, turn it around and be grateful for what you have. Ciao, guys.